Rhino is known as a command-based modeling software, and the command bar is probably the most important feature in Rhino. What this means is that anything we want to do in Rhino can generally be controlled by simply typing into the command bar. This is great for beginners because instead of having to memorize the locations of icons to create things, it's really easy for us just to type into the command bar what we want, and most of the time Rhino will guide us. If we want to create a box, we can just type box, and if we want to draw a curve, we can type curve, and so on and so forth. The command line will then respond with options on what to do next. So when using Rhino, it's critical to always watch the command line and respond to prompts. Let's write our first command in Rhino. I think we should create a box to begin with, so let's type in box. You can see Rhino gives you a list of commands with the word box in them beneath the command line, almost like a search function. If you want to do something in Rhino, it's worth sometimes just typing in and seeing if a command exists. Let's select box and our command line will update. It's asking us now to define the first corner of the box. Next to this we have a few different options which give us different ways to create a box. We're going to use the standard one for now, but if we clicked on these we'd be able to create a box in a different way. Let's click once in our perspective viewport to create the first point in our rectangle. Let's click again to create the second. Now it's asking for a height. We could type in a height to set an accurate height, but instead I'm going to click in space again. And there we have it, we've created our first box in Rhino. When using Rhino, it's critical to always watch the command line and respond to prompts.